So, as you can see, me and my bird go swimming in the pool together. He's cool, man. That's Pinky, man. That's Pinky Pink. Yeah. He'll swim in the pool with me. What you doing, Rube? Look at Ruby out there. You can do all types of stuff with birds, huh? I'm gonna get a raft. I'm gonna get a raft so he can be on the raft with me. Here, come here. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Good boy. You coming back? Pang, pang. Oh, man. He tried. Come on, Pink. He tried. He couldn't. Pink.
You gotta stay still.
Yep. I was moving.
Go ahead.
Come on, Pink. Good boy. This bird's the shit. Pinky, man.
Alright, mine's gonna flop in like
Oh,
that,
jeez.
probably. But let's see.
Look at me in pink, though.
Alright, y'all go have a good time.
He's not going to stay off me, though.